Hello guys, welcome back to my channel ProdOps Lab. So in this video we are going to discuss one of the Python script which we usually use in production system to scan the uh, old files or files larger than a particular size if you want to clear something, right? So in production system files accumulate silently, so logs, exports, dumps and temporary files keep growing, and over time nobody really knows what is sitting inside a directory. So instead of guessing or manually checking files, I use Python to scan a directory and generate a CSV audit report that clearly shows what is happening. So let me explain how the script works step by step. So the script is saved in the GitHub. I'll share the link. Script begins by walking through a target directory. So here I've given one target directory. You can choose your own directory, and I provided some config threshold limits. For example, files older than 30 days and files larger than 10 MB. However, you can choose whatever threshold you want, and then the output file name where I want to save this data, right? So the script begins by walking through the target directory. So here I'm using os.walk. So os.walk goes through a directory recursively, and for each folder it visits, it returns three things: the current directory path, the list of subdirectories inside it, and the list of files inside it. This is useful because production directories are usually nested, and we want to inspect every file without knowing the structure in advance. So inside this loop, we focus only on files because those are what we want to audit. So for every file name, we construct the full file path by joining the directory path and the file name. And this step is important because operating system calls like os.stat cannot work with just a file name, so they require the complete path to the file. So here we are concatenating that path from the directory structure till that file name, and then we are passing that entire path to os.stat. So os.stat asks the operating system for metadata of the file. So the metadata, like what is the size of the file. So it doesn't read the file content, it does just the reads the metadata. So it is very fast, and even when we have large set of files we can use os.stat without any uh, delay in processing, right? From this metadata we can extract the file size and the last modified date for that file. So here we have done some calculations to get the data in the MB size format, and then the rounding of that. So once you have this data, then we verify with our threshold. If it is greater than that threshold, then we mark a flag as yes. If not, then we mark the flag as no. So we keep on traversing the files list. And once we have all the data, then we write it into a file which we have already discussed in our previous videos, where we use the uh, these writer write rows and writer row dot write row methods, right? So this is the script. Let's run it now. So here I have the script. I'm executing it. So file audit completed successfully. Total files scanned 19. Total size it has calculated, and the CSV report is generated. So let's look at the file that is generated now. So this is the file. This is the full path of that file and the file name. What is the size of that? And then the threshold. Older than the threshold? No. Larger than the threshold? Yes. So we have given 10 MB, so it is definitely more than 10 MB, so it has marked it as yes. And the second file is less than 10 MB, so both the flags are no. So in this folder I don't have anything that is older than 30 days, so all the files are marked as no for that flag. While more than 10 MB, of course we have few of them, like the first file. Here there is one, here there is one, and here there is one. So the files which are more than 10 MB are marked as flag S. So from this report then we can decide if any of these are unwanted files, whether we can remove it, or we may also request our L3 or development team to confirm whether deleting of such files is doesn't harm the application. So based on those data, we can go forward and remove those files or zip them or move them to some other places if required. So hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section, and let me know if you want more such videos. Yep. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also do provide your honest feedback and suggestions for the next video, any topic that you want me to cover in the next video. Thanks again for watching.